Hey everybody, it's Jordan Fleming here, one of the founding directors of SmartPhone. In this video, I want to introduce you into what exactly smartphones are all about by answering some of the common questions we've had over the years. Let's dive right in. So, what is smartphone? When you get right down to it, smartphone is just that. It's your phone system. But unlike the phone system you maybe buy from a local provider where they come and install a line, smartphone works 100% over the internet using voice over IP technology. But that's all fancy technical stuff. What it really means is that smartphone is your complete phone system. You can make and receive phone calls, you can make and receive text messages. But there's no special hardware needed and we have no long-term contracts. And if you ever move offices or you want to add new locations, your smartphone can scale with you with no extra effort at all. At your heart, smartphone is your complete, flexible, scalable phone system. How is smartphone charged? Well, there are two parts to that. There's the license and then there's the usage. And I'll talk about each of them. First of all, there's the licenses. Like most software as a service, we require that you have a subscription to action and activate our service. We have two levels of subscription you can choose from. There's Smartphone Standard and Smartphone Pro. Smartphone Standard is $50 a month or $500 a year and comes with 10 users and a host of standard phone system features. Smartphone Pro is $100 a month or $1,000 a year, comes with unlimited users, 5 free US or Canada local numbers, and a host of Pro advanced call features that let you really supercharge how you use your phone system. Now, the second part of the charging is the usage. And the usage is something that you have to carry a balance to use. So we require that you top money up into the system. And then on a monthly basis and on a usage basis, we will deduct money as you use smartphone. Example of that is, of course, your phone numbers. Phone numbers are charged on a monthly basis. A standard US phone call number, is $5 a month. And that'll be deducted monthly. Your phone charges and your SMS charges are all based on your actual usage, and we have abilities for you to automatically top up your account if you reach a certain level. Where can you use smartphone? The short answer is anywhere in the world. I can tell you, as someone who has 4 offices in 4 different countries, I use smartphone all over the world when I travel, and nobody who I'm on the phone with knows exactly where I am at any one given time. Because smartphone is a VoIP phone system, it means you're not tied to an office. That makes it fantastic for remote workers, makes it amazing to be able to add in virtual assistants from a whole other country and be able to get them using the same phone system. It also means, of course, you've got one unified phone system where if you start to scale your business up, you don't have to continue to get new phone contracts and service them in different locations, different states, different countries. You can have everything off of one contract. We also, of course, have our iOS app and soon to be our Android app, which means that you can take smartphone on the go with you. That's fantastic for people who are always on the move and who need to be able to make or receive phone calls wherever they are just through their cell phone. What sets smartphone apart from other systems on the market you could be buying? Well, first and foremost, it is our deep integration into Podio. If you're using Podio, smartphone is the phone system for you. Everything from our easy click, click, click setup to our click to call and automatic call logging, where everything from your text message data to your recordings and voicemails are completely logged into Podio. It is seamless. And of course, we have our integrated smart dialer. For those of you who are doing a lot of sales or need to be calling a large customer list, the smart dialer can supercharge your team's ability to make calls. All told, as a package, if you're using Citric Podio, smartphone is the only system for you. There you have it. That's what smartphone is. Now, if you're still curious, you want to ask some specific questions, of course, if you're here on our website, we've got a live chat right in the corner. You can talk to one of our agents. If you've started a free trial, you can again chat to our agents live inside the smartphone app. We also give you full access to a bunch of different documentation, help guides, and troubleshooting opportunities. And of course, we have a smartphone user's workspace directly inside of Podio where our community talks to each other, where we launch new features, and where everyone can help each other out. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call, and happy phoning.